This behind me is my multifunctional Mancave. Anyone that's already subscribed to the channel would have seen the inside of my man cave, but I thought for anyone that hasn't, or anyone that's not subscribed, I thought I'd do a quick tour video. Anyone that is subscribed, I thought I'd show you what I plan on doing in my man cave. So coming in from the double French doors, that's my workbench area, tool wall there, and then down that end is my social area and office area, and then through this door here is a bar kitchen. And then that door there leads to the little shed at the side. I've just done a video on that actually. I've just cleared it all out. So it's got double doors coming out into the garden and a small door to get in to access strips of wood, timber, that sort of thing. What I thought I'd do, if you're new here, is as I walk around, I'll show you things in here that I've already done videos on. For that, like that bandsaw, for example, I did a video on that, Parkside bandsaw. And then in the bar kitchen, I've got a grill. I did a video on that. So as I walk around, I'll show you what I've already done a video on. Anyone that's already subscribed, I'll show you things that I plan on doing. For example, down this end, behind the back of the sofas, I've got family and friends photos all the way around. I'm gonna get rid of those. And I got a lot of this free laminate flooring. I'm gonna use that to clad all the way around the back, like as a backsplash. Just here, I've got a chest freezer that's coming out. I plan on putting a log burner in there. I'm going to restore it. I got given it free. It's slightly broken, but I'm sure I can get it fixed up. I've never fitted one before, so I'm going to do a video on that shortly. Just asking your guys' advice on it actually before I do any more research. TV above, that's going to come out so I can get the chimney in there or go out that way. Don't know yet. So the reason that chest freezer's coming out because I've already got a fridge freezer in the bar kitchen area. There's my tool wall. If you can see behind, there's a Union Jack that I painted in white. Sort of lost now with all the tools that are on there. I generally use these magnetic strips to fix my tools on. I've done a video on that, so I'll stick a link below. A straddle square, I did a video on that, I'll put a link below. Speakers everywhere and TVs everywhere. I don't watch a massive amount of TV in here actually, just that TV's that cheap now. I thought I might as well stick it up all over the place. So TV up there, TV there, and then I've also got a projector just here. I've done a video on that, so I'll stick the link below. My projector screen pulls down just here. More speakers below there. That chair, I'm going to do a video on that soon. I need to put some wheels on that so I can wheel it out. All these cabinets, made a frame first, the plywood top, and then varnished it, and then round the outside I did like a cubby hole border as like a backsplash, but also you can put screwdrivers, pens, whatever, all the way around the outside. I've done a video on that, again I'll link it below. Behind that door there is like a little area all the way along my shed or man cave. I'm going to clear that out soon. I'll do a video on that probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I want to do a slabbed area so I can use spray paint or whatever outside. Big subwoofer there as well. I've got multiple amplifiers all around the shed and speakers everywhere, and we have parties every so often. In fact, I've got a fog machine down there as well. In fact, let me just put a clip in now of what it looks like with all the disco lights on. Soon I want to replace this chop saw. It's come to the end of its life now. In fact, I've only just put a new blade on there, which is really good, but I'm going to get one of them soon. I'll get one and then do a bit of an unboxing and do a review on it. I don't know what model I'm going to go for yet. Also, I want to get a table saw. I want to sit it underneath one of these cabinets so I can pull it out when I need to. I might have adjustable legs on it. Don't know yet. I've got to do a bit more research on it. I've just cleared out underneath here actually. That vac I use as the shop vac. I've put a little hook on there because the cable goes all over the place, so yeah, I've just screwed it in the top of that handle there. Extra storage. I haven't used them yet. I've done a video on them. I'll put the link below. Got them really cheap. Now the end of this bench here, I've got some space. Again, I've cleared it all out. Oven pan there. So what I want to do is make a foldable bench or worktop that can slide in here when I'm not using it. And it's going to sit on here, come out. It's probably about there, but I want to put an extra piece so I can extend it. I want to make it the same height as that workbench over there and slightly higher than this. If you notice, that's on a slight angle because it's dropped over the years. Main reason for making a pull-out bench is if I'm working on a project, I can get all the way around it. It's all right having a workbench, but it's hard to get different sides of whatever I'm building or making or fixing. So I thought if I make something here, slide it away when I'm not using it, should work good. This cupboard space under here I made specifically for a pull-out workbench as well. Now it's full of ramble at the minute, still is. I mentioned this in a video probably about 8 months ago. I still haven't sorted it out. That's going to be a pull-out bench, either on casters or some way of manoeuvring it around so I can use it anywhere down here if I need to. Drill and blade sharpener, did a review on that. I'll stick the link below. Ferrex made by, I think that was from Aldi. Not long had that, I haven't used it much. Bench grinder, very cheap they are, they're about 20 quid. Got that from Screwfix. I also want to get another one of these to put wire wheels on. Magnetic wristband. I've done a video on that. I'll stick the link below. So if you're interested, last year I did a video or tour of this man cave. I'll put the link below on that as well. We'll go into a little bit more detail. But if you've got any questions or anything, just stick your comments below or thoughts. And also, if you've got a man cave, you've got a shed, a workshop, just put your comments below. Interested to know about anyone else that's done something similar to this. If you give it a thumbs up, that's marvellous. If you're new here, please subscribe. I've got plenty of new videos coming up. This channel's basically, it's based around my shed, man cave, workshop, whatever you want to call it. And things I make and bits of DIY projects. I'm no expert, but if you get something out of it, that's great. It's just my hobby and my antics to get up to in my shed at the bottom of the garden. Right, so just moving into the bar kitchen area. Got a little foldable door there. So, I say I've done a video on that. I'll stick a link below, hot plate. Just got this little tiny oven. I want to do pizzas in that in the winter. These windows here open out and actually come off as well, so you can actually take them, open them up and then slide them off, so it forms like a bar area outside. Door there, stable door, so you can take the top half off. In fact, you can take both off. So if you undo this one, yeah, a bit stiff. There we go. Let's say windows come out as well. There's a TV inside that cabinet there. I did a video on how I built that. I'll stick the link below. I've also done quite a few videos on how I built this shed. Mancave started off with a 24-foot by 12-foot garage that I bought second hand and rebuilt at the top of my garden, then built this bit, the extension on the side. Just to show you in this little door. Storage. Needs a bit more sorting out. I've just cleared this out, by the way. I've done a video on it. There's the double doors that lead out into the garden. So my plan is to split this down the middle. So, in fact, probably about here. So split that down the middle. All garden furniture, bits and bobs can go on that side through those doors. And then scraps of timber, strips of whatever can go this side. I'll put hangers on that wall. That is a work surface I got for free. I'm going to use that to make the foldable bench in the workshop. Got a fold up bar counter there. So it's hinges underneath there, pulls up, locks into here, and I've got a work surface if I need it. Old steel cabinet, painted that cream. And I painted this fridge freezer as well. I got the fridge for free. It was almost new, and normally to undo them you have these little edges here, but I added these handles to it, which I think gives it a bit of a vintage touch. Made all these from scratch, doors, drawers. I've done a video on that, I'll stick the link below. And this is my sink, very primitive, but it works. Just a pump, tap, and then drainage below. It's basically what it is, fresh water and wastewater. I don't use this for drinking water, by the way, it's just for washing hands to keep fresh water in my fridge. I'm not that far away from getting up to 1,000 subscribers, believe it or not. That's amazing. But I think what I'll do is I'll do a giveaway when I get to 1,000. So if you enjoy this video and you think someone else might enjoy it, please share it. More the merrier. You get to 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. I think I'm going to do it to the whole of the world. I'm not just going to send it out to the UK, whatever it is, and it'll be something worth having. So yeah, subscribe. Thanks. So more speakers, Spirits, another speaker. There's one of the amps. Another TV, extractor with a vent that goes outside. More speakers. Belt sander, I did a review on that. Great belt sander, that made by Parkside, one of my favourite brands. Oh, I did a review on that as well. Retractable pencil. So yeah, that's where I'm thinking of putting the log burner. I'm gonna have to fireproof, because obviously it's all made out of wood. Fireproof the outside. I still need to do a lot more research on it. I'm gonna make a plinth or a base for it. I'm still using this vacuum as well, by the way. Remoco, it's 1950s, I think. I'm gonna do a bit of a restoration on that, I think. But that's collecting all the dust from this saw at the moment. I'm going to retire it, so it's just a display piece. But I need to get my dust extraction system set up properly and a filtration system as well. These caster trolleys, invaluable. They get me out of this stuff plenty of times. So I keep my brooms, dustpan and brush. Storage above. Storage above there. Little basketball net up there and a tiny little ball there. When the grandkids come around, that's their favourite thing to play with, and I'm surprised I've managed to keep this ball so long. It's probably about 3 years old. From the pound shop, reduced to 50p. Bargain. PlayStation for when the kids come round. If you're an electrician as well, please excuse all this wiring. I've also done a review on that little label maker, Dymo Letratag. Put the link below. Hot air gun, done a review on that. So overall, my plans are to organise these cupboards. I'm going to get a table saw to put under there, foldable bench to pull out there, a workbench on wheels to come out from those double doors there. Put a backsplash around the social area behind the sofas using this laminate. This hot plate I want to mount underneath this cupboard. That's full of stuff at the moment. In fact, there's a welder underneath there. I need to do a video on that soon. I've not welded for 20 odd years, probably longer actually, so that'll be fun. MIG welder. I want to use drawer runners to sit underneath this cupboard, so I can open that door, pull the hot plate out, lift it up when I need to. I'm going to put that oven, I don't know where I'm going to put that yet. I might do the same, put it on another little drawer runners down here and pull it out when I need it, or I might just mount it up on the top somewhere. Don't know, video to come on that. And outside I've got some stools. I'm going to repaint these and put some wooden tops on them. I've actually got 4 of them, 2 out here at the moment. They're actually from a school, they're from a science lab, I think from the 1980s, something like that. Plastic tops on them, as you can see. Also, I'm going to redo this slabbed area. I never cemented it in, so I'm going to concrete all this in, get rid of all the weeds. And when these are jet washed, they come up amazing. So there's the windows, there's the stable door, there's the double doors. Just done a video showing how I built them. Speakers outside, a must. And also I need to put gutter in all the way around the outside. Here, I've got some trellis to put up there to grow this clematis up. Made this out of an old coffee table. There was no doors in it, so I painted it, put Go Faster stripes on there, and then just lined some foam with some, what's it called, faux leather, vinyl stuff. And then these are 2 bedside cabinets, so I just painted the tops and yeah, made a little seating area. When the kids come round, they can play PlayStation on the TV there. When I put this log burner on there, I might have to put the TV up here somewhere, or just use the projector. In my office area, I connect my laptop to that TV there, and then I've got a Mac that connects to an Apple TV there. Now, it goes through a router which connects to all the TVs around the shed, which is good because I've got a remote keyboard, keep in here. There's another keyboard down on the office area, but it means that I get this out and then use my laptop from here, or on the projector screen as well, actually, and on the TV I've got outside. So I've got this audio selector here as well. It's actually an audio and video selector. So it's the red and white for the audio and the yellow if you want the video as well. Obviously don't use that. So yeah, I can flip from one to the other. So I've got DAB radio, a separate DAB radio. That one there, but I'm not gonna say in case it sets yours off. And then laptop, TV door, TV outside. So I can flip from one to the other, and that goes straight to all the amplifiers around the shed. So have you got a workshop, man cave, shed type thing like this? If you have, stick a comment below. If you want to be featured on this channel, actually, if you've got some photos, bit of video, whatever, stick them to my email. I'll put a link below, weekendshedhead@yahoo.com. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.